Download VMware vCSA ISO file from VMware official website and mount vCSA file. Then go to vCSA UI installer, Win32, click on Installer. Click Install. Click Next. Tick on Accept the terms of the license management and click Next. Input ES11 host IP address, HTTPS port number, username, and password, then click Next. Click Yes. Input center name, username, and password, then click Next. In this video, I'm using tiny as deployment size and click Next. Tick on Enable Thin Disk Mode and click Next. Input IP address of vCenter, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS servers, and then click Next. Click Finish. Stage 1 completed. Click Continue. Click Next. Click Next. Input domain name, single sign-on password. Click Next. Unchecked Join the VMware's Customer Experience Improvement Program, CEIP. Click Finish. Click OK. Click Close and now complete. You can access vCenter now.